What's going on, Gary here? If you're watching this video, you're probably doing your research on a site called My Lead Gen Secret. This is a site that claims you can actually generate leads online just using it, and you can send offers and emails to those leads to make money. Now, you probably want to know, is this legit? How does it actually work? Like, what are the different tabs inside? And what are the costs, and is it worth the cost, right? Is it worth investing your hard-earned money into? Well, you're in the right place, because what I'm going to do in this video is break down every single thing. I'm actually a paid member, so you're going to be able to see what to expect if you do decide to get started with this. Now, before I dive in, at any point, there's going to be a link directly below where you can actually go ahead and sign up and get much more information as well. Now, without further ado, I'm actually in my back office, okay? Now, the first tab is the Home tab. This is basically just an overview of your stats, the quick start video, things like that. What you want to understand is they give you 100 leads a day. Now you'll see leads today 200. This is because I've actually referred some people to this, and you'll actually double your leads after a certain amount of time if you do that. But starting off, you're going to generate 100 leads a day. Okay, now if you're someone that's been promoting something online, maybe you've done affiliate marketing, maybe you've been promoting your own products, that leads, getting someone to raise their hand virtually, right? Whether it's put their email in, whether it's, click a button, getting someone to identify that they're interested in learning more information about what you're promoting is one of the biggest keys to success online. So they give you 100 leads, right? A day, literally a day. When you come in here every single day, a new 100 leads is going in there. Okay, so if I go to my leads, you can see, okay, so if I go way back here, I've been a member for a while now. It started at 100 leads a day. Okay, 100 leads, 100 leads. And then now I'm generating, 200 leads a day. And you can see that, if I open these up, these are real leads. Okay, I'm going to cover the email address because this is private information. But these are real people. You can see what country they're from. These are top tier leads. Okay, so if you don't know what top tier means, when you want to generate leads online, you want to generate email addresses from people in countries that have money, right? Because if you're selling a product, you want people that can afford to buy that product. That's how you make money. Now, if you go out there to other sites, often when you think you're getting high quality leads, you're getting leads from third world countries. These leads come from top tier countries, United States, Canada, Australia, things like that. So it's very high quality. Now, these people are primarily interested in making money online, the home business. Okay, so if you're in niches like that, you want to highly consider starting with My Lead Generation Secrets, especially if you're someone that's been struggling to generate leads. Okay, now you see the leads, right? And by the way, you may think, well, okay, my leads are on this website. Like, do I get access to the leads? And yes, you actually do. Okay, if you open up, or if you actually like click here, okay, you can actually download your leads. So it downloads into a CSV file, and you can upload that to GetResponse, Aweber. You can import those leads. These are your leads to whatever autoresponder you actually want, okay, if you want to do that. But they also have master email swipes. So the next tab gives you, okay, emails that you can go ahead and deploy with those leads. Okay, so you don't even have to come up with emails and sales copy and things like that. That's another benefit myself and a lot of people like. I'm kind of lazy. I don't always want to have to write emails and think and stuff like that. So I can literally just come in and be like, boom, click this button, and it automatically imports that email into the mailing system. Now, what's the mailing system? What the mailing system is it's basically a online, through this site, a system where you can email all those leads. So if you don't have GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, these different email autoresponders, if you're not currently paying for a membership, you don't have to. You can actually directly email these leads every single day. It's one time a day. You can email them directly in My Lead Gen Secrets, which is really powerful. Now you can send it from your name. Okay, so this is when someone sees the email in their inbox, do you want it to have your name on there? Or if you want to be more anonymous, you can send it right from, My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay. Now, you can select how many leads you want that email to go out to. Now, I recommend selecting all. And you can see, okay, currently, and this has just been since October 11th, okay, so a little more than a month ago, I started, and I've already been able to generate close to 7,000 leads, okay? So you don't think 7,000 people from a top tier country with money is not going to be interested in making a buying decision? Okay, obviously, yes. So this is going to make you well over your investment of the measly, 60 bucks and then 30 bucks a month. So once you select all, you can actually go down and you could put in the subject of the email. You can actually write the email here. But I want to go back for a second because let's say, again, you don't want to write your own emails, right? You want to make it easy, very simple, maybe a 5-minute process. What I personally do, just to kind of show you, I wake up, okay, I go to the master email swipes, I scroll through, I see one that I like that I haven't maybe sent before, and I go, okay, like let's say this one. I go, okay, boom. I click there. It automatically imports the email into this system. And the cool thing is, okay, once you select all the leads, again, let's say I want to send from me, or you could just send from my lead gen secret. That's the subject. Okay. And then all you do is you insert your URL here. Okay. So you can literally, let's say I have an affiliate link. Okay. So let's say I'm promoting something. I'll do google.com, but this would be your website, the affiliate link, the link that you want people to go to that you're promoting. That's what you would put there. And then all you have to do, okay, and let's say you want to highlight, I'll just share real quick another bonus tip. Let's say, you can even do this and I can, I can put the URL there as well. Okay, so when someone clicks that, it's going to take them to my affiliate link. And then all you have to do, I recommend clicking perfect timing. What that basically does is that will email every single lead that you're generating just using the simple site. That will send those people an email, okay, at the perfect time for them. When in the past they've typically opened emails, that's when it's going to send it to that person individually. So you're getting the best chance to actually have your emails open. Now, it says right here, please wait 22 hours before your next mailing. Like I said, you get one email per day. Okay, and I just emailed about an hour ago before this video. But that would be it. Okay, you would just email it, and now it's going to go out to 7,000 people. And again, after a few weeks, you'll get that many leads too. Okay. Now statistics, you can actually see, how many people are opening, because you may be wondering, right? Like it's what I wondered before I got started. Okay, yeah, you get these leads, but there's a lot of sites selling leads. There's a lot of sites giving you leads, and they're usually rehashed. They're usually garbage. They're usually from third world countries without money, and they usually don't open emails or click. Well, you can see right here, look at this, okay? So this is the open rate percent, okay, which means this is how many emails I sent, how many leads. This is what percent of those leads opened. Now, anything above 10% in the online marketing space in this current time is pretty darn good. And you can see that a lot of these got close to 20%, almost double the average. And you can see even clicks. Okay, so I'm getting, this was 100 clicks. Imagine, let's say you're promoting an offer, and on average it takes, 1 out of 100 people to buy. 1 out of 100 people that see that the first time will actually buy. Well, with one email, okay, I was able to generate close to those 100 clicks. Okay, so you can see the stats, right? I mean, this is incredibly good quality leads, right? And also, what you can do is you can actually look and see, okay, this email, like for example, this email got a 7, close to 8%. Not great, okay? Now, what dictates the open rate? It's the subject line. Based on the subject line, that dictates what your open rate is. So this one didn't get that good of an open rate, but this one got a really good open rate. Okay, so what I would do in the future is I would use a similar subject line to the ones that are working. How much does it cost? It's going to cost you about $60 to get started, and then about $30 a month after that first month. Okay, so it's about $1 a day. Now, affiliates, right? So you can actually become an affiliate of this system as well. Okay, so if you get started, you like it, you want to recommend people, you want to make some money, you can actually do that here. You can get a sales page, you can get an info page. They have the compensation plan, okay? And it's really, really cool. Recommended advertising, okay? This tab basically is they're sharing, a little bit of, different offers, different recommendations, okay? And that's basically it, my friend. I mean, it's a very simple platform. At the end of the day, if you're wanting to make money online, you need leads. And why not spend $1 a day for 100 leads, right? I mean, it's incredible. A lot of people are spending, $2 per lead with paid advertising, right? If they do Google ads, a lot of people are spending about $2 a lead. Why not spend $1 and get 100 leads a day? Right? I mean, it makes absolute no sense not to do this, okay? So there's going to be a link directly below. When you click that link, you're going to get taken to a page where you can actually sign up. Give it a try, okay? There's no commitment. You can cancel at any time. And I highly recommend it. Again, I mean, this is absolutely incredible. What I do a lot of times, I'll just download the leads, put it into my Get response, and then it just, I'll start sending out emails and making money that way. So I wanted to shoot this quick My Lead Gen secret review. If you have any questions, comment them below. Also subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest reviews. And until my next video, I hope you got value, and I'll talk soon.